What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Thomas Gallery, and today we're here for another Funk Flex freestyle reaction. Now, this particular one is Lil Yachty, Little Boat as he called himself. And the reason why I'm reacting to this is because I'm curious, because I've heard in the past that out of all the new rappers, the quote-unquote mumble rap era, that one of the people that has some skill that you can put some respect on a little bit is Lil Yachty. And I heard like he did like a freestyle like a while back. I forgot which show he was on, but he did a little something, and I was feeling it. I was feeling it. So I want to hear what this all about. I want to see, is he that one out of the the mumble rap era? Is he that one that you could look at with some skills? Now I don't know what to expect. I don't know if I should be expecting some crazy bars, some crazy punchlines, and name flips and all that stuff. I don't know what to expect. I'm just I'm curious. It's piqued my interest, so I'm curious. All right. Now this video is like a little under 5 minutes, so I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna hear maybe about 2.5, 3 minutes, maybe. So we're gonna see. All right. So without any further ado, here we go.
Yo, what's up? It's Lil Bo, you know what I'm saying? Lil Yachty here with Funk Flex, you know what I'm saying? In the booth, you already know what's up. Lil Bo 2 just dropped. It's out everywhere. I need everybody to go get that right now, everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Just like
they gotta talk at the
Before we even make any introduction, let's say how this came about. Okay, so I was in my bag. I posted on my gram about rappers. Lil Yachty got in the comments.
Cause you tagged me.
Yeah. I did.
Okay.
He didn't just jump in. I tagged him, absolutely. Well, and to be more specific, we have had run-ins and bump-ins on the internet. Look.
Everybody know.
Look.
It's nothing new. It's nothing
Okay,
new.
He was like, yeah.
I had to skip all that talking.
Okay.
Like half the video isn't talking, so I had to skip all that.
Nigga, free Reese, free Nino. The world is mine like a
Oh, he going already.
Got more money than a liquor casino. Got caught fucking on a bitch and a boyfriend walked wearing full chinos. Hopped out the back door, ran a faux flat. I was like way back.
Nice flow.
Nowadays I just sit and laugh. Chopstick, long as one giraffe. When I'm coming through, clear the whole path. Walked in the damn spot, it was all females. Nigga, fuck the whole staff. Goddamn nigga, 2 player. Why you hate? Cause I'm too rare. Young nigga, I'm a fresh prince. Could've bought a crib out in Bel Air. Fucking on a bitch from Delaware. 30,000 on a new coat, call Peter up, gone and soak it in. Tag still hanging from the hat for a yen. I ain't even broke it in. Diamond choke so tight, try to lift it up, shit do not go over chin. In the studio with Middle Gang, everything make us propane. Call 10 bitches from the blue flame. Fuck them all, we ain't even know their name. Front row at the ball game. Who that did Duncan? Shit, that wasn't name. I don't even fucking watch sports from my backyard like a golf course. Niggas hating on my dick shit. I got more guns than the task force. When I talk my voice kinda hot, niggas hating, usually sound kinda hoarse. My ex bitch was built like a horse. She was 27, I was 19. Shotty there was a real style, but I ain't trust to feel like Shotty there was wildin'. Young nigga, bitch, I'm QC. You can see this shit through the gold medallion. After this, I'm out to Staten Island. Got a young bitch, she be really stalling. My young told her dirty cat, I call him Dirty Dan. He a flippy van. Kick your door, hard to Jackie Chan. Take the chain right up off your nightstand. Look, nigga.
You said Staten Island?
Staten Island. You know what I'm saying? Look, Bo.
Funk Flex. So it's no more Lil Yachty. It's just Bo.
Okay, it's just some more talking. Okay. Oh,
All Bo, man.
All Bo. See us. Funk Flex. Bo. That's what I'm calling from here on in.
Okay. Now, I'm not gonna be all harsh and tell all crap. I wasn't expecting some boom bap, 90s, mid 90s, 2000s. I wasn't expecting that. So I wasn't expecting the heaviest bars in the world, but that was right around what I was expecting. I was expecting some flow. Now I was expecting, couple of words, nice words going in. Okay. This is more or less what I expected from him. And it's better than what the other mumble rap I've been like. Well, I won't say mumble rap, but the mumble rappers I've been hearing is better than that. So I give this more respect than I would most of the mumble rappers and stuff. So okay, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. All right, cool. All right. Anyway, thank you. It was like I said, half the video was talking, and I had to skip. I had to skip that. I had to get straight to the rap because half the video is talking. Lil Yachty and Funk Flex recapping their whatever situation, how this whole thing started. Okay, half the video was talking. But anyway, that's cool though. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed my reaction. Hope you enjoyed what you listened to. Leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and share all that good stuff. I'll catch you all later. Peace.